Hi, sister. This is John. So I've searched Hard Times, okay, and here's the book where that barcode is not reading properly. So I've searched it. I'm going to pull up the book by clicking the title. All right, and here is that barcode that isn't reading for you. To change it to one of the barcodes on the sheet, you'll click Edit. Now I'm in the editor. You'll go to the holding record and down to P. Here's the barcode right here. Now I'm going to look at one of your emails. Okay, there it is. Oh, wait 1 second. I have to go to one of your other emails. Here we go. Okay, so, oh, no, that's not it. Sorry. Um, sorry. Hang on a second. Well, let's start with the last page. So you can go backwards. That might be a better way to do it. This is the fourth barcode on the page that I have used the first three. Okay. So this IMHL, there shouldn't be a space there, but I'll fix that. I'll show you. You could use your scanner, by the way. When you add these, just scan the barcode off the sheet rather than type it. It's better. It's more accurate. So here we are, back to the holding record. Here's the barcode that won't read. Now I'm going to paste it in, but I suggest, and you don't want that space there. That would be a problem. Okay. There we go. So I've added the new barcode. Now I highly recommend you scan them off, put it on the book over the other barcode and use your scanner and scan it in here. Let me save this. There. So now let's look at the record again. Hard Times. I'm just going to do another search. And these barcodes have not been used. They're good. They'll scan properly. There we go. And here's Hard Times. Let me pull it back up. And there's the new barcode on there. So once again, you'll pull whatever books aren't coming up. You'll click Edit. I've already done it on this one. You'll go to the holding record. You'll go down to P, and you'll see the old barcode that isn't working. And then I'm not going to do it here, but because this is all done, you would just do this. Scan in the new barcode here and click Save. And then go on to the next one. You might want to test it first like I did. I'm not going to save this one because I just fixed it. But now to test it, you could just scan this barcode. So once you hit save, scan that barcode in and it should pull it up just like this. Now that space shouldn't be there. You won't have that space using your scanner. And there we go. And there's the book. It came up by scanning the barcode and it's working. That's how you'll replace the books that the barcodes are not working. I'm going to send this out to you right now. Glad to help.